welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. My name is Bethany, and I'm gonna be trying out Fenty Beauty's cream blush in Rose Latte, and also her new cream bronzer in the shade Chocolate. So if you all would like to see how these products performed, keep on watching. And how I achieved this look, Fenty Fresh Face. We're gonna start off with our brows today, and today I'm gonna use the Fenty Brow MVP in the shade Black Brown. And I really love this brow pencil because it's so easy to get those natural hair-like strokes with this pencil, and it has a really great brush that blends product throughout the brow. So this has quickly become my favorite, and I really love the shade Black Brown. It just really gives me that natural, like not so harsh brow color, which I really love. So if you're watching this video, then you're probably quarantined like I am. I'm going to be using the Professional by Benefit to prep my skin as a primer. But if you are watching this, you're probably quarantined like I am. So weird. 2020 is so weird. So I'm getting ready for a quarantine date, stay in the house date, and I am really excited to try these new Fenty Beauty products. Fenty has for sure become one of my new favorite brands. I'm a fan of Rihanna, and if you've been watching my channel, you know that I reviewed Fenty's bronzers when she came out with them last spring, and I loved it. So I hope you guys are ready for this because I'm super. This is probably one of my favorite steps to like prep my skin, because I feel like it always makes for a better flawless complexion and just a flawless makeup application on myself. I've really been taking care of my skin during this quarantine, drinking water and masking, and also giving my skin breaks from just makeup break altogether. But I really wanted to try this. Next, we're gonna get into complexion, and I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Filtr foundation in the shade 410. Shake it up with this on my hand to distribute the product on the back of my hand first. And I'm gonna do like heavy motions like that to get it more fresh. I am combination skin, so I do have the Pro Filtr foundation and Pro Matte, but I also really love it in the hydrating foundation too. So I actually probably like that formula better, just because you can powder down the foundation and I'm not as oily as I used to be. So now that my base is finished, I am going to go in with the Pat McGrath Lab in medium deep 23, and I'm just going to spot treat underneath my eyes with a shade that is my skin tone, my natural skin tone, and then we're gonna go in with a lighter concealer and we're gonna highlight. I prefer layering my concealers like this because I feel like my under eye, it's like, I feel like our eyes are the first thing people see, so I definitely want to play up those a little bit more, but I just really love layering my concealers like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr concealer in the shade 330. I love using this to spot treat. Well, I'm not saying spot treat. What am I talking about? Not spot treat, but to highlight underneath my eyes. The formula is impeccable for under eye highlight. And if you do let your concealer sit for a little while, it does give you a better coverage payoff overall. highlight is blended out, what you want to do is you want to go back in and you want to set that. Now, I feel like with the Fenty Fresh face that it's more so about the skin breathing and being dewy and stuff, so you don't want to look too powdery. You know, this look you want to definitely do the opposite. So you want to focus the powder mostly like under your eye area and where you don't want that creasing to happen, because the cheeks are for sure going to be more so focused on the cream. So I don't really want to put powder there, but I definitely want to make sure that my under eye is properly set, especially when you're like layering your concealers. That's really important. So that on all of the areas that, so as we let our under eye and our skin bake, we're gonna go in and we're gonna start focusing on the eyes. So for that, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty's bronzer in Coco. This is my favorite, and as you can see, I've hit pan on this, and I'm going to focus this on my eyes just to give it like a natural contour, just a little bit, so it's not just bare. And this is like the perfect, like using your bronzer as like a eyeshadow and just something like to put on your eyes and do like a light contour is like the best thing ever. And Coconut is the best shade if you're like brown like me. We're gonna be using Mykonos lashes by La Charme, and I'm gonna say this is probably like a knockoff brand of lashes, but I'm gonna use these. I love callus glue. I just started using it. It is latex free. It's very, very sticky or tacky, but it works really great. You just want to be careful taking it off your lashes because you'll lose some baby hairs up there if you're not careful. So it comes with this little brush, and you're just gonna brush that glue onto the lash band. I think the only thing I don't like about this callus glue is the fact that the glue itself gets tacky around the rim right here. It's so annoying. So as we let our lashes sit and let the glue dry a little bit, we're gonna move on to the feature product, which is Fenty Beauty's new cream bronzer. Look at that, it's so pretty. The shade that we're going to be using is Chocolate. So I've never used a cream bronzer before, and I really don't use cream products to do my contour. I'm more of a powder girl, so this product is going to be really interesting for me. So I'm just going to take my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to take a brush that is more so, what do you call it, dense. There's not a lot of movement at the top, and it'll be really good to dig into this. So okay, so far so good. And I'm just going to place this product where I would normally put my look at this. Look how easy that blended. Ouch. Look at the difference. This cheek has the cream bronzer. This sheet does not have anything. Wow. I'm just taking patting motions. I'm not really swiping or rubbing in. I think that's probably the best way to maximize this product, is to just stipple it on instead of to blend it in, just to stipple it out. Wow. Yo, I've become a fan. I like this. I like it. Oh my gosh. I was so afraid. I didn't think I was gonna get like this. Okay, so I put my lashes on off camera, and we're gonna go ahead and wipe off some of this setting powder underneath my eyes. That's why, like, yeah, make sure that you're not using so much setting powder, just so that this cream bronzer can just really do what it's supposed to do. Setting powder is wiped off, and I do like to, once I'm done, set my brows. I know that's like totally backwards, but I like to set my brows after I powder my face, after I do my foundation and everything like that, so that because my brow hairs are long, like they'll start leaning, or you know, because I am someone who does their brows first. So we're gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just going to, I'm gonna brush these up to get that like brow lamination look, you know what I mean? And I've been brushing my hairs up, but you know, when you get a good brow gel, that should also help you keep your brows in place. Like so, and then I like to just like press that product into my brows to make sure that the brows are stable. Time for like the product of all products that I've really been wanting to try is cream blush. So this is Fenty Beauty's new product as well. It is the cream blush. It's pretty small in comparison to like the bronzer package. So I just swirled it around, put it on my finger like that, and I just stippled it on my cheeks like so. So I'm just gonna do the other cheek, and I'm gonna stipple it on where I usually just put my blushing products. You wanna take your time, a little bit goes a long way. If you smile a little bit, you kind of know where you should place your bronzing product. Guys, Fenty just never fails me. Look at that. I feel like it gives like a really cute, like, why am I blowing it? Gives you a cute little blushy tone, blush up color on your cheeks. So I'm gonna just finish up my eyes, and I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes with this Bad Girl Bang by Benefit as well. Now this is just an added touch. You don't have to do this. This is just what I like to do. And I'm just gonna set my face with this Fix Plus by MAC. Just to set it all off, you know. For my lips, I'm going to be using MAC's Cork Liner. I'm just going to try the Rose Latte on my lips as my lip color today. And I'm just going to dab that on my lips. Definitely multi-use. And I've already a little blush on my lips before.